This Old Guy DIY video has to do with making supports to be put under the seats on a pontoon boat. So a hot chick that I know has a pontoon from the 90s, and she said, I would like to have some support under those seats. And sometimes it looks like they're flexing. So I measured from the boat floor to the bottom of the seat, and in this case it was 11.5 inches. I cut the legs to 10 inches. With that 2x4 on top, that takes the overall height to 11.5 inches. And then I just cut a 8-inch piece over here that's a stabilizer. When she takes it down to the boat and sets it in place, you know, this just makes sure that it doesn't fall over while the seat cover is being closed on top of it. So she requested 4. I made her 4. I'll go down there with her in a few minutes and install these things. Effectively, with this design, it gives the pontoon seats the same support that the bleachers have at a ball game. This is what it looks like with the little bleacher supports in place. A little cross member on the end just makes sure that everything stays in position until the seat is put down. But on this particular boat at 11.5, it provides the support that it needs. She can take it to the full capacity of 17 people or whatever the label says, and not worry about anything being damaged. This is what it looks like with that bleacher support in place and the life jackets thrown in there. She says it's very important to follow all of the rules and regulations. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and have a great day.